In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice using Wise, step by step. You don't need a bank account, you don't need to receive money, and even complete beginners can follow this. Let's get started. First, go to wise.com and click on Sign Up. Choose Business if you want invoicing features. Enter your email, create a password, and verify your email. You can skip adding a bank account. Wise allows you to create invoices without linking one. Once logged in, you'll see the Wise dashboard. Click on Business and then go to Get Paid or Invoices. Now click on Create Invoice. Here you'll enter your business or name, client's name and email, invoice number, invoice date, and due date. Add the service or product name, quantity, and price. Wise automatically calculates the total. Wise will generate a payment link. Your client can pay using a debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or international transfer. Even if you don't connect a bank account, you can still send the invoice. This video is for learning and demo purposes. Click Send Invoice. Wise will email the invoice directly to your client. You can also copy the invoice link and share it on WhatsApp or email. And that's how you send an invoice using Wise step by step. No bank account needed and perfect for beginners. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.